Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, we want to solve this tricky exponential equation. Right, so what we do is this. We have 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x plus 2 can also be written as 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Because one of the laws of indices say that if we have a raised to power x plus y is same thing as a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y. And that is what we have applied here. Everything equals to 256. Alright, so we continue. Now, another law of indices states that if we have a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, what do? You add them. Alright, so we are going to add all the powers that we have here because we have multiplication in between them. So we have 4 raised to power x plus 2. Everything equals to 256. 256 is same thing as what? 4 raised to power 4. Because we have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. And that is 4 raised to power 4. Now we can add this. X plus x will give us 2x plus 2 equals to 4 raised to power 4. Right, we can let's equate the powers. Okay, that means that this 4, we cancel this 4. We have 2x plus 2 equals to 4. Then we collect like times. We take this plus 2 to the other side. And it becomes minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. So what do we do now? We divide both sides by 2. So we have x equals to 2 divided by 2, and x give us to, and x is what? X equals to 1. So our answer is 1. Now let's try and see if we are actually correct.